Use shortcut keys to speed up your workflow. Access the shortcut key menu at the bottom left-hand corner from the sidebar where the More icon is. Select and choose Shortcuts. This will open the display where you can view all the various shortcuts that are available. Most shortcuts are a modifier, and on Windows that will be Control plus a letter, and on Mac Command plus a letter. The ones that you're going to use a lot are Save, Control Command S, and Undo, Control Command Z. Go through the list and familiarize yourself with those shortcut keys you are going to use quite often. There's also another shortcut key that's very important, and that is to open this dialog box. When on the page, hit Control ? Or Command ? To open the shortcut keys dialog box.